Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox admin commands. These commands give you powerful control over your game server, allowing you to manage players and environments effectively. First, you must have admin privileges, usually granted by the game's owner or acquired through a game pass. Once you have access, simply press the / key on your keyboard to open the command bar, where you can input your desired instructions. Mastering a few essential commands is crucial for basic game management. For instance, you can temporarily remove a disruptive player using the kick player name command. If an issue is more severe, ban player name will permanently prevent that player from rejoining your server. The teleport player name destination player name command allows you to move players around the map or even transport yourself to another player's location, which is incredibly useful for moderation or assistance during gameplay. Beyond basic kicks and bans, admin commands offer nuanced player management. To quickly address a situation, bring player name to pull any player directly to your current location for discussion. If you need to pause a player's actions, perhaps to investigate an issue, the freeze player name command immobilizes them instantly. You can also manage chat disruptions using mute player name, which prevents them from sending messages in the game for a set duration, ensuring a more positive experience for everyone on the server. Admin commands also allow you to significantly enhance or alter gameplay. For example, you can dramatically change the game's physics by adjusting gravity with gravity number, setting it anywhere from 0 to hundreds. To equip players, use give player name toolname, instantly providing them with specific items. You can also communicate important announcements or initiate fun events across the entire server by using message your message, ensuring everyone receives your broadcast instantly and clearly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.